Hey everyone, it's Jenny, and today is makeup of the weekday. So I've got it all spread out here, and I'm just going to let you know the products I'm going to be using this week. And this week, as you can tell, I'm back to the bag. Love having two bags to go back and forth and knowing what I'm using. I don't know, it's just easier to keep track of stuff. So I always start in order of application. So first off is my primer, and this is the Guerlain, the Lure primer. Love it. My erase paste from Benefit and Eye Bright. I never use the Eye Bright, but I love the erase paste. And the Kat Von D, the Lock It Concealer and Corrector. I love this stuff. Foundation is the Urban Decay Naked Skin. I do really like this foundation. And concealer is the Naked Skin concealer. I do like this concealer as well. It's one of the concealers that doesn't really crease on me, so I do really like this one. Powder is the Kat Von D powder. I do like this. I think it's pretty good. Then for contouring, I've got the IBY palette. I can open it here, that way you can see. I really like this. My sister got this in a BoxyCharm, and she doesn't really use these, so I got it and I appreciate it and love it. And then for blush, if I can get this open, is the Gwen Stefani palette, the Urban Decay Gwen Stefani palette. As you can tell, I've hit pan on two of these. I'm trying to get more use out of this. I hadn't used it in a while, but I know I've had it for a while too, so there's that. But so far so good. Then highlighting, this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Moonchild. This is one of my favorites. If I can open it, yeah. And I still have the plastic because I know the pink heart got a little bit crushed. But yeah, I love Blue Ice, Purple Horseshoe, Blue Moon, Star, Lucky Clever, Pink Heart. I do love all these highlights. And for brows, I've got Kat Von D, the Tattoo Brow. I do like this. I don't think they make that anymore. Then this is a Trestique Eye Pencil. I do like this a lot. And this is the Benefit Brow. No, it's the 24-hour brow setter, which I think this is okay. I like the Anastasia brow gel a little bit better. Then this is always in makeup of the week. It's the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Conceal and Contour. And eye primer is the Urban Decay Primer Potion. This is just a classic. I do enjoy it. Makeup, of course we're talking about makeup, but eye palettes, the Gwen Stefani Urban Decay eye palette. As you can tell, I've hit pan on a few of these as well. I've had it for a while, but I still want to use it. And then this is the Real Her Do Your Squat Shadow Palette, the Real Her 2. My sister also had this in a BoxyCharm, and she liked it. She just wasn't using it, so I got it. And I love these shades. They blend great. They look great. So really good. And then let me get my eyeliners here first. I've got the Maybelline Unstoppable eyeliner. It's a pretty decent liner. And the Ciate London Fierce Flicks liner. Probably going to get one more use out of this one. But I like it. I think I got that in an Ipsy. So it was pretty good Ipsy find. And then this is the Stila mascara primer. I really like that. And the Benefit Bad Girl Bang, which is a favorite mascara of mine. So that was everything in my makeup of the week. So let me know the products you're using. Do you like any of these products I've mentioned? Also, make sure you give the video a thumbs up. See the thumb? Give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here. And leave those comments. I love to read them. And with that, have a fabulous day. Bye.